Starting a garden can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience, but it can also be a bit overwhelming if you don't know where to begin. Here are some detailed steps to help you start a garden. Choose a location. Decide on the location of your garden. Make sure it has access to sunlight for at least 6 hours a day and is relatively flat with good drainage. Decide on the type of garden. Decide on what type of garden you want to grow. Some popular types include vegetable gardens, flower gardens, herb gardens, and container gardens. Determine your soil type. It's essential to determine your soil type to know the type of plants that can grow in it. You can do this by purchasing a soil test kit or sending a soil sample to a laboratory for analysis. Clear the area. Clear the area where you want to plant your garden. Remove any weeds, rocks, or other debris and make sure the soil is loose and crumbly. Improve the soil. If your soil is not ideal, you can improve it by adding compost, manure, or other organic matter. Mix it into the soil with a garden fork or tiller. Plan your garden. Plan the layout of your garden. Sketch out where you want each plant to go, leaving enough space between them for growth. Make sure to group plants with similar needs together. Plant your garden. Plant your garden according to your plan, following the specific planting instructions for each plant. Water your garden. Water your garden regularly, especially during hot and dry weather. Avoid getting water on the leaves of the plants, which can cause disease. Maintain your garden. Regularly check your garden for pests, weeds, and diseases. Remove any weeds and dead or diseased plants promptly. Fertilize your garden as needed. Harvest your garden. Harvest your garden when the plants are ready. Harvesting at the right time ensures the best flavor and quality of your crops. By following these steps, you can start a garden and enjoy the rewards of growing your own food or flowers.